side of the road coffee shop in Buon Ma Thuot, just up from the local markets. We've dropped the laundry off this morning and decided to come in, grab a quick coffee before we consider taking a wander through the market. But for now, we're going to snub back our shot of coffee. Yeah! These are the smallest cups of coffee you've ever seen in a while.
I know, right? I can't even put my finger through the hole. It's got kick, alright?
Do you want to experience, explore and travel Vietnam from the comfort of your home? Click subscribe, join our tribe.
Our tiny coffees have left us with a massive ping, and what better place to come and burn it off than the Buon Ma Thuot Central Market.
Twilight Zone. Put a price on it of 100. You can try to charge me 150.
Oh, moldy seeds for Africa. Not bad. Just the prices are confusing.
You're not even haggling. They're like, oh yeah, the sticker says this, but we'll charge you this much. So anyway, the joys of fun and market shopping in Vietnam, I guess. Come on, bro, how could you not drink here? So we mentioned in one of our last videos you can get coffees here in Vietnam with 10,000 Dong. Some people may think we're pulling your leg, sounds too cheap. We showed you those ones from this morning that we had, and yeah, they look like a small cup. But here's another one, cup slightly bigger. But don't be mistaken, don't be fooled. The kick you get from these coffees is crazy. Oh, and that one is good. 10,000 Dong coffees, wanted to prove they exist. Get out there and get it.
So quick before we run out of battery.
So quick, how do I look? Do I look beautiful?
You look beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. And only 40,000 Dong.
Wow.
So that's the truth of it. Not like that Hoi An fella.
So we found this really nice looking bakery. We've got some goodies. So we thought we'd have like an early dinner, late lunch thing.
I think we're going to be looking for these bakeries anywhere we stay for a few days or more. Found one in Dalat, and that started the trend because you can just get so much food so cheap. So today we've got 2 of these burgers, 1 each. I got a little sausage and egg and corn dish for myself. And then we got these big bun bows. Look at the size of them. We're not sure which flavour we got. There was a few. We just asked for 2 and we took what we got. But all of these, 68,000 Dong. This will fill us up. And then we'll grab some sweet treats for dessert when we get back to the hotel tonight. Tash, what are you doing?
It's got this yellow stuff in it. I don't know what it is. I'm speculating it's egg yolk, but it's super overcooked. It's super dry and it's just now.
So you figure you'll drown it in tomato sauce, it'll be all good?
Tomato sauce makes everything better.
Shocking.
Yum. Got the laundry. Smells so good. So we're gonna head back and try and resist the temptation to eat all the sweet stuff.
We just got back to the hotel room, started unpacking the laundry. Man, the people here are amazing. I honestly thought I was going to have to write these socks off. I was actually embarrassed to even drop them off at the laundromat because we got caught in a rain shower the other day doing a walk around. Shoes leak like sieves. These things wrecked. I actually had them in their own little plastic bags separate so they didn't smell the rest of everything else out. And I honestly didn't think they were going to be able to rescue them. Oh, beautiful. Best smelling sock I've ever owned. Unbelievable.
Best smelling sock you've ever owned.
No, well, you don't get them smelling like this when you used to wash them. And for the record, I used to do a lot of the washing. Okay? So don't believe anything Tash tells you.
Oh, please. Can't resist temptation anymore. We're going to tuck into our treats. These are our bickies, based on a recommendation from a 3-year-old. So I'm not sure what's on the inside. But just in case it's not working out, we've got some backup donuts. So we're going to call it a night here and tuck into our goodies. Thank you very much for watching.